Youth is synonymous with energy and passion. It is their unflinching determination that provides thrust to development and ignites hope for a bright future. Youth is fast becoming a force to reckon with. That's why you are the leaders of today. A strong believer in this maxim is the British Council. It has initiated a 5-year project connecting futures that aims at building mutual understanding amongst different cultures. Under the Connecting Futures umbrella is the project titled Beyond Borders. Beyond Border involves 4 countries: Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and the UK. You are the Pakistani Brigade of Youth that has been selected for Beyond Borders, comprising of 32 enterprising, passionate and highly motivated individuals from various universities across the country. You are fondly known as the Core Team. The Core Team has identified pertinent social issues after going through a life skill workshop. You will showcase these social issues through different genres of art and expression. Ever since your selection, untiring involvement and heightened enthusiasm, you have yet to experience 8-hour sleep. From leading personalities who became your mentors, you have learned basics of theatrics, writing, drawing, multimedia and Qawwali to inspire other youth. British Council has joined hands with School of Leadership to embark on this journey. SOL facilitated a series of workshops to build the capacity of the core team. You will present these activities at a festival for the general public in Karachi, Lahore and Rawalpindi on March 5th, 6th and 7th this year. The Pakistan Festival, as it is known, will be an acknowledgement and celebration of the dedication and passion which you have exuded in supporting social development. The message of the work undertaken by you was delivered to the public so as to build awareness of your efforts and achievements. Here's what people from various backgrounds had to say for someone whom they don't really know, but are driven to express their appreciation and encouragement.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद हसन यासीन है। मैं यहाँ पियन हूँ। मैं हिबा को मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मंशियात जैसी चीज़ पर काम करना शुरू किया।
Assalamualaikum ji. My name is Mehreen Shoaib. I'm working at Navitas as Director Marketing. I'd like to congratulate British Council for initiating the Beyond Borders initiative. I think it's a wonderful initiative, and in particular I'd like to congratulate and boost all the confidence in Zainab for taking the team forward in generating awareness regarding drug abuse.
And this.
नाम अमजद, काम ये फरूट का था। आपको मनूर बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, आप ये काम कर रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
The passion and relentless efforts of the youth, of you, the core team that take people by storm.
Run all over Pakistan, an amazing initiative taken by the youth of this country. I think one aspect that really turns me on is the teacher sort of aspect of it. I think that's going to be an amazing project that's going to change the destiny of this nation, and I'd like to congratulate Shaji Hassan. Hang in there and do a great job, because the future of this nation depends on people like you. Thank you.
They will now call you as the forerunners of change.
तकरीबन यहाँ फ्लावर पैलेस पे 14-15 साल से, और वकास जो है वो नई सदी का प्रोजेक्ट का काम जो कर रहे हैं, हमारी दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला उनको कामयाबी और कामरानी अता फरमाए, और शाबाश वकास।
Hi, I'm Zaheen. I'm also an artist, and I would like to congratulate Tuba on her work on teachers' education, and it's for a good cause. And it's
Necessary it is for a country that youth not only assumes responsibility of the future, but that of the nation as well.
Make them understand, and this guy Athar, he's really doing well. Really appreciate Athar for this. That's all I would say.
मेरा नाम इमरान है और मैं ज़ेबस यूनिवर्सिटी में मुलाज़म हूँ। मैं जनाब मोहित साहब का बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ, जिस काम के लिए वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि वो कामयाब हों, और पाकिस्तान को एक तालीम की काफ़ी ज़रूरत है। तालीम टीचर से शुरू होती है, तो इस काम में वो जो तावन कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि वो।
How does it feel when a peer admires you? Feels good. A sense of achievement overpowers when you have inspired even a single individual.
Since a very long time, and I think that they should be eradicated as soon as possible. And I would like to congratulate Arooj for working on this project with British Council, because this is for a good cause.
Firstly, I would really like to congratulate British Council and SOL that they've initiated a really good project that is against drug abuse and drugs itself. The team basically consists of a lot of people, Amna, Aruj, Athar, etc. etc. But what my point here is that it's a really good initiative, and in case if they need our help in any concern, I'll let that be financial or moral support or physical support or physical count, so we'd be more than glad to help them out.
Youth for Youth, how far have these gone to express their admiration for you, the core team? Salute to both.
To spread the word for the awareness of drug abuse.
Even those got into the groove who look oblivious.
कहना चाहता हूँ, हर शाम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हर जगह मतलब वो हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ मुबारकबाद देता हूँ.
मेरा नाम गुलाम हुसैन है, मैं ड्राइवर हूँ. मैं दुआ करता हूँ ये मंशात में बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adil Naqvi. I'm the marketing head at Navitas. I want to congratulate British Council for this initiative they've taken on Beyond Borders. I think it's a great effort on their part.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muneeb Ahmed Khan and I'm a student. And I just would like to congratulate British Council on initiating this project Beyond Borders के नाम से. And in this manner, I would like to encourage basically Seher on initiating the project on creating awareness of drug abuse.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Imran Shabir and I'm a student of BP Honors from CBM College. And जो campaign है आप लोगों की against drugs, all I would like to say कि keep it up guys and you're doing a good job and wish you best of luck. Say no to drugs.
A diamond either in a necklace or a ring will always shine. And what these people are doing, they are diamonds and they will always shine, and I want them to shine as much as they can and show that they are pure diamonds.
They say you are diamonds. Well, that's true.
So I think therefore Beyond Borders team is doing a great job by focusing on the similar issues.
Challenges were fought within borders, and we used to see problems being faced by local governments alone. But now since globalization has cropped up and has blurred the boundaries, international boundaries, we're actually trying to generate awareness in people in 4 countries without any boundaries of language, because it's
coming from the youth, for the youth, by the youth is real inspiration.
Different cultural backsets and everything, and I think these are the global challenges which we face, and to overcome our boundaries, which is amazing. People hitch your wagons to reach the stars. Amazing job.
But how have you reached here? Here's a flashback. You traveled, you toiled, you perspired, you laughed, you played, you swayed. You said, we will do it. We saw you do it. You came together in Islamabad to plan and execute the festival. You were a unified force, a chain to which you are referred to.
One link is broken. Would you wear a chain with a broken link?
No. Never.
Never. What would happen if you do? It will fall away and something precious can be lost.
The planning session saw you juggle between different responsibilities. Okay, balloons. But the learnings derived were insightful.
For their sharing, because I saw a number of people just juggling 2 balloons and the others were calmly standing doing their own. They were oblivious of the miseries of their team members.
Stormy discussions were initiated to crystallize understandings.
said over the weekend that we have to win in any case and no room should be in a position to win it. That's one. Our objective that everybody.
Who was helping you on that aspect?
No one.
You were doing it to yourself. Physical. Mental exhaustion. Physical exhaustion. Empathy can be, yes, more inner as well. But lack of time, crowded, the space, the ceiling. You know, you were restricted by the physical. But what keeps you going is the spirit, is the inside. And that is why the team spirit will always conquer anything.
Also, part of the planning session was a meal making activity that required you to plan out a meal, prepare it and serve each other. The trick: very limited resources. But you all came out as winners. By the way, you can all be good chefs and cooks. Good luck there.
To pass judgments because bringing along with you something else from your past, from your own circumstance. You have to understand it from another person's circumstance.
You were asked to compose music using organic and inorganic sounds. This allowed you to detach yet synchronize your energies to one common tune, the tune of harmony. The moment of truth arrived as you presented your team activities in front of a diverse audience and evaluators.
सपनों का जो महल था क्यों चूर जवाब मांगू तो किससे मांगू और कोई मुंह फेर लेता है मुस्कान तो क्या अब कोई आंसू भी नहीं मैं वो कश्ती हूँ जिसका दूर किनारा है इस तूफान में बस तू ही मेरा सहारा है तुम चाहो तो रस्में तोड़ दो इस तूफान का रुख मोड़ दो इस बेहिसी का दामन छोड़ दो ताकि मैं कह सकूं मुझे छोड़
For initiating Beyond Borders, youth convention which will bring together students and the youth of Bangladesh, India, Scotland and Pakistan.
Teenagers from Karachi and 4 equally dynamic young people from Quetta joined forces to go up against the evils of drug abuse. We can arrange seminars, we can arrange conferences, that's all okay, but that's just the first step. We have to get up, get going, do something about it. We have to appeal for action. And lastly, hopeful picture. It's very difficult to find a report in a distressing condition. I for one was out with my team making a video documentary. Convince, persuade our entire target audience. Yes, but at the same time hopeful. Theatrics, to add a touch of humor. We'll be doing improv comedy, which was a challenge for all of us, yet very interesting.
You showed your brilliance and flamboyance through Qawwali.
नशे में क्या है नशे में क्या है हाय मियाँ नशे में क्या है
नशे में मजा है जो मेरी गिज़ा है जो बन गई सजा है इसी में दुनिया की रजा है इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ बर्बादी है बर्बादी कैसिया बर्बादी बर्बादी है बर्बादी कैसिया बर्बादी नशे की दुनिया सादी है ना दादा है ना दादी है हमसे पूछो क्यों आती है मेरे चरस पीने की वजह क्या है दुनिया ने बीमार किया मेरी एक दवा है जिससे मोहब्बत थी वो खबर लेती नहीं मेरी अब यही पुड़िया मुझे आशिना मिला है इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ क्या
Intellect and depth in highlighting evils of misusing the idea of dowry.
Parts is the practice of female feticide. It is ensuring that there are not too many members of the female sex around.
Class and lucidity in discovering the demographics of public school teaching.
That we're doing to assist this transition. What's soul of? The options available are: I want to willingly work as teacher in the public sector schools. I will work as teacher in the public sector schools only if I can't work in the private sector schools. I will join the teaching profession in public sector schools only if I have no job opportunity.
And not to mention energy. Ladies and gentlemen, the core team has ventured into a journey of changing the social landscape. Let us hope that this journey is self-sustaining. Let us all congratulate them on rising above the adversities that surround them. Well done, core team.